Thinking about giving your living room a modern upgrade in 2025? Start from the top, literally. A stylish false ceiling can completely transform your space, adding luxury, depth, and personality. Today, we're revealing the top 12 modern false ceiling design ideas for 2025 that will make your living room look elegant, spacious, and absolutely stunning. The false ceiling, also known as a drop or suspended ceiling, has become a key element of modern interior design. It's not just about hiding wires or improving lighting, it's about creating a statement piece that defines your entire living room. From minimalistic LED lines to artistic geometric patterns, the 2025 trends focus on creativity, clean lines, and functionality. Let's explore the top 12 designs that are taking modern homes by storm this year. 1. Minimalist LED panel design. Simple yet striking, LED strip ceilings are one of the biggest trends for 2025. They give your living room a futuristic glow with concealed lighting that sets a soft, ambient mood. Perfect for modern apartments and small spaces that need brightness without bulk. 2. Wooden panel false ceiling. Warm, earthy, and timeless, wooden false ceilings add sophistication and natural texture. Use sleek wooden beams or panels for a cozy, elegant feel. They pair beautifully with neutral walls and minimal furniture. 3. Pop plaster of Paris ceiling design. A classic choice that never goes out of style, pop ceilings allow you to play with curves, patterns, and 3D effects. From elegant floral motifs to modern layered designs, pop gives a luxurious finish to any living room. 4. Coffered ceiling design. Inspired by luxury homes and classic architecture, coffered ceilings feature grid-like recessed panels. They add visual depth and a high-end architectural feel, perfect for large living rooms or formal settings. 5. Floating ceiling with hidden lights. Want a sleek and modern vibe? Try a floating ceiling, a suspended structure that seems to hover below the main ceiling with soft LED lighting around its edges. It's dramatic, futuristic, and perfect for contemporary interiors. 6. Gypsum ceiling design. Lightweight, durable, and cost-effective, gypsum ceilings dominate 2025 trends. They can be molded into various shapes and are great for creating layered designs with integrated lighting systems. 7. Metallic false ceiling. Add a touch of glamour with metallic finishes like gold, copper, or brushed steel. These reflect light beautifully and make the room look luxurious and spacious, ideal for high-end modern interiors. 8. Geometric pattern ceiling. If you love bold, artistic interiors, geometric false ceilings are a must. Hexagons, squares, and abstract patterns add a creative twist while keeping the overall look sleek and balanced. 9. Mirror and glass ceiling accents. For those who want a bright, airy space, mirror panels or frosted glass inserts reflect light and create an illusion of height. They make even small rooms feel larger and more open. 10. Layered ceiling design. Multi-layered ceilings with a mix of textures and lighting add depth and visual interest. Combine materials like gypsum and wood to highlight different zones in your living room, such as the seating area or TV wall. 11. Curved or wave ceiling design. Soft, flowing lines are trending in 2025. A curved ceiling design breaks away from rigid shapes, creating a calm, organic aesthetic that complements modern furniture beautifully. 12. Dual-tone ceiling design. Two-tone color schemes are a big hit this year. Pair soft neutrals with bold hues like charcoal, navy, or gold for a chic, dramatic effect that instantly elevates the ceiling's look. Bonus tip: add smart lighting control to your false ceiling. With dimmers or color-changing LEDs, you can switch moods, from cozy movie nights to vibrant gatherings, with just one touch. So, whether you love minimal modern designs or luxurious statement ceilings, 2025 has something for every style. These top 12 false ceiling design ideas combine creativity, function, and elegance, perfect for transforming your living room into a masterpiece. Remember, your ceiling isn't just the top of your room, it's the canvas that ties your entire interior together. Start designing from above, and let your living room shine in style.